Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic find for all the dog lovers and Disney fans out there. If you're searching for the best dog prince costume, look no further. We're exploring the enchanting Rubie's Disney princess pet costume, inspired by none other than Cinderella. This adorable costume is perfect for any occasion, be it Halloween, a birthday party, or just a fun day out with your furry friend. The Rubie's Disney princess pet costume comes complete with a beautiful dress that features stunning blue fabric reminiscent of Cinderella's iconic gown. The dress is designed not only for style but also for comfort, ensuring your pup can move freely while looking like royalty. The costume includes a matching collar and a charming wig that adds a touch of magic to your pet's look. This costume is officially licensed by Disney, which means it's crafted with quality in mind. You can trust that you're getting an authentic product that has been safety tested. And that's crucial, especially when dressing up your beloved pet. Rubie's has a solid reputation for creating costumes that are not just fun, but safe for your furry friends. Now, let's talk about sizing. The Rubie's Cinderella costume comes in various sizes, ranging from small to XXX large. This means it can fit a wide range of dog breeds, from tiny terriers to larger dogs. To help you choose the right size, make sure to check the sizing chart provided on the product page. For instance, the XX large size is perfect for dogs weighing at least 45 pounds, with a chest size of 24 inches. Picture this: your pup trotting around in this stunning costume, turning heads and winning hearts wherever they go. Whether it's at a pet costume contest or a neighborhood Halloween bash, your dog will steal the spotlight. Plus, it's an excellent way to bond with your pet while sharing in the fun of dressing up. One of the standout features of this costume is its vibrant colors and attention to detail. The fabric is soft and lightweight, which makes it comfortable for your dog to wear for extended periods. Additionally, it's easy to put on and take off, thanks to the user-friendly design. When it comes to cleaning, you'll want to be gentle. It's best to hand wash the costume and lay it flat to dry to maintain its shape and quality. Taking care of it properly will ensure your pup can wear it for many events to come. So there you have it. The Rubie's Disney princess pet costume is not only the best dog prince costume available but also a delightful way to celebrate your furry friend's unique personality. With its charming design, quality craftsmanship, and comfortable fit, it's sure to be a hit. If you want to elevate your pet's style, this costume is the perfect choice. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more pet costume ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep your pets stylish and happy.